Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Code Dictator. So let's continue with classes. So guys, before starting the session, I want to announce something. As a programmer, we require a best analytical and logic building skill. And to improve your logic building and analytical skill and to enhance your knowledge, we have one best YouTuber, that is Sunil Jadhav. So please subscribe, like and share his channel to get more knowledge and to get easiest way to enhance your logic building skill. So guys, link is provided into the description section and it's already there in the notification panel. So please go and hit subscribe button and share with your friends because sharing is caring. In this, let's go through with his channel. Here is that videos what he uploaded till now. So if you see that, we have n number of series and some motivational speeches as well, and whatever the thing he is explaining, he is performing that practically as well. So he is teaching all math, physics, chemistry, everything. So definitely it will help you to enhance your programmatical and logic building skill. And the good thing about him is he is explaining all the things in very easy and simple language. He is not using any big terminologies. He is just elaborating all the things completely from the scratch. On the daily basis, he is coming online and you can interact with him, and definitely he will answer your all the query and questions. Let's see his one video that is the dream of every YouTuber.
अवार्ड तभी मिलता है जब आप कोई काम के अंदर कंप्लीटली इन्वॉल्व होके एक्सीलेंस की तरफ जाते हैं. सो हियर वी आर फेलिसिटेटिंग द एक्सीलेंस. तो मैं चाहूंगा जितने भी लोग जब भी स्टेज पे आए तो आप लोगों की तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Let's continue with session. So class. Basically class is a collection of object. So in the last session we learned about lot of things like object, how to create objects and all this stuff. But now here we will look into the class, what exactly class is. So class is basically like it is a group of objects which is having common properties. It is a logical entity. So let's take an example. Is having a property like name, roll number. So that is similar property. So basically we are calling it as a blueprint. So blueprint means what? Which is having only the mapping of the things, like only virtual things. Okay, it will be here, or it will call it like this. So like that. And just take an example, like we have objects called Jayesh, Sweetie and Bunny. So everyone having their own name and everyone is having their own roll numbers. So class is holding all the common properties. So all the objects having the same property like their name and their roll number. So class is holding those properties as a single unit. That's why we are calling it as a class. So we are binding all our objects, methods or blocks inside that one single unit, that is called class. So class is having different type like abstract class, final class or like static class. So basically that is like inner classes. Okay, so class contains nested class and interfaces, blocks, constructors, methods and the fields. Fields basically like variables. So this is just a syntax how to create class. So whenever we want to create any class, we have to call that class variable, call keyword, and then we have to set the class name, and we must follow the naming convention. So every class name start with the capital letter.